Welcome to the Focus First YouTube tutorials. My name is Jonathan DeLeon and I'm the Business Development Manager at Focus First as well as your guide today. In this video we're going to go over how to log in to find your FHFA graphs as well as navigate the page so you can easily find the one for your area and your state. So let's jump into it. In order to access your FHFA graphs, all you have to do is click this button right here, which will open up your web browser for you to log in, and then I'll take you to the FHFA page. So let's go ahead and click that button. And once you're logged in, you'll see this page here. Now this Focus First FHFA graphs, as we scroll down, you will see that it is organized by state, and then after state, by MSA area. Now one thing that we were requested of and asked for multiple times was to have the state appreciation as well. So that now is included in your FHFA charts. So open up by going by the state and going down to your area, and then once you click that, you will open up and see your local appreciation chart in the new candlestick format, as well as you will see the traditional origin format. Hopefully this video helped you learn the Focus First pricing tool. If you want to see more videos like this and additional videos we release, make sure you subscribe to our Focus First YouTube channel. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you next time.